I have handled many trucking accident cases. Unfortunately, when you deal with a trucking accident case, you're dealing with catastrophic injuries and oftentimes death. A case that is very memorable to me, and though it took place many years ago, it seems like yesterday that I got the phone call from a distraught husband whose wife was killed when she was driving on a highway, and a semi-tractor trailer, had tried to make a U-turn on a two-way highway. Because the highway was bermed on each side, the semi-tractor trailer lost traction and became stuck with the trailer straddling the road. Because the markings on the truck were not sufficient, and because our client was traveling at a high rate of speed, but not faster than the speed limit, and she was bearing their first child. As she traveled on the highway, she saw the truck in time if the highway had a lower speed and if the truck weren't straddling the road. She immediately put on the brakes. Her skid marks were well over 200 feet long, but her vehicle went underneath the back of the straddling trailer, and it took her life and the life of their child. That was a case that was tragic. We filed a lawsuit in that case against the trucking company. The trucking company actually tried to hide some evidence in that case. We were able to prove that they were hiding the evidence. I had to travel over to California on 2 separate occasions to take depositions of their corporate officers and also of the actual truck driver himself. It wasn't until we got there that we were able to find their policies and procedures manual. In their policies and procedures manual, it says, never make a U-turn if you can help it. Also, it says, never make a U-turn at night. And it even explains why you don't make a U-turn on a freeway at night. You can become stuck, it talked about. And there's many other reasons why it says not to make a U-turn at night, but we were able to get that case resolved for a lot of money for a very deserving client.